So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how you can do P2P to actually convert your USDT to NGN or any currency you actually love. So I will actually encourage you to watch this video from beginning to the end because it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how you can do that. And what actually prompted me to make this video is the fact that I've checked on YouTube to actually see a better tutorial that will show you exactly how you can do that, but I couldn't see. So that is why I'm actually making this video. So I will encourage you to subscribe. If you have any question, you can drop it inside the comment section below. So as you can see, I already have $24 inside this particular gate.io exchange. So if I click on asset over here to show you, as you can see, there is 24 USD. So I'm going to click on it to show you. As you can see, I have 12.76 USDT. So I'm going to be converting this USDT to NGN or any currency you actually want to use. So the first thing you have to do to ensure you're actually eligible to do P2P on this platform is to actually make sure that your account is fully verified. So if I click on this my profile icon over here, you are going to see that my account is verified. Verifying this particular gate.io is very, very simple. All you have to do is to upload maybe your national ID card or any means for you to actually get verified on this platform. So after getting approval, you can be able to do P2P. P2P is going to be enabled for you. So let me show you exactly how you can do that. So you are going to go on your icon over here, click on icon, and you are going to come to the asset option over here, click on asset, then click on P2P. So as you can see, we have P2P over here. Click on it, and it's going to bring out an interface for you to do your P2P. So as you can see, this is your interface for your P2P option, and you can actually see that this particular interface is currently in USD. So, and you actually want to convert our USDT to NGN or any currency you actually want to do. It's practically the same thing. So you are going to click on this USD over here, click on USD over here. Then you are going to find the currency you actually want to convert to. So in case of this particular tutorial, I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to be choosing NGN, which is Naira. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to bring out all the trader that actually want to actually sell their USDT for NGN like Naira. So it's loading up. It's going to take a while for it to load. As you can see, these are the trader on this platform that actually want to sell their USDT for Naira. So what we are going to do right now, there's two options. We have buy option. We are going to actually change to sell because we already have our USDT. Click on sell. Then as you can see, these are the trader that is available. This first one is very, very high, which is about 2,000. So we will not be, it's actually be restricted. So you can't trade with this particular person. So as you can see, these are the popular trader that is available on this platform that you can actually trade with and be able to get your NGN in Nigeria. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be trading with just, let's say, maybe $11, which I actually have on my account. So let me type in 10,000 Naira over here to actually trade within this range. So I think, okay, 10. So as you can see, these are the people that is available on this platform. But one of the disadvantages of using Gate.io P2P is the fact that the price is very, very low. Very, very low. As you can see, it is being sold at 1,612. And if you check other platform like Bybit, is way higher on that platform. So, but for the purpose of my community, so that we show you exactly how you can do that on this platform, let me show you how you can go about it. So, as you can see, let's use this particular person that has over 6,000 deals. It has traded over 6,000 times, and it have over 99% completion rate. So, and if you check the limit, the guy is actually selling between the range of 8,000 to 798,000. So we have intention of selling just 10,000 naira. So we can go ahead with this particular person because it is trustworthy. It has all the rating. So all you have to do is to click on sell over here. Click on sell, and you can see, so we are going to actually choose the method of our payment because I'm actually adding it for the first time. So I'm going to actually add my method of payment, so which is bank transfer. Click on it, and I am going to bind my bank account over here. Click on bind account to actually add my bank account. So right now I'm going to add my bank account, then click on confirm. So let me go back to my bank app. So I'm going to go over to my bank app and add it. So guys, I'll successfully copy my Kuda bank account, and I choose branch, which is Lagos. Lagos is actually my branch. So, and I choose, this is my account number. So all I have to do is to actually click on add the bank account to be able to actually complete this particular transaction. So they are going to send an OTP to the email register with this gate.io account. So I'm going to send an OTP, click on send an OTP, and go over to my email address so to actually copy my OTP. So as you can see, I've successfully gotten my OTP, then click on confirm to actually bind my bank account. So my bank account has been binded successfully. So whenever I want to do any transaction in the future, I can easily use this my Kuda account. So I'm going to click on the bank account, then actually enter the amount of USDT that I will actually want to sell. So due to the fact that this particular selling price is very, very low, I think I check Bybit right now. They are selling about 1,460 or 445. So I'm going to reduce the amount I want to sell on this platform. So let me go back, click off this particular transaction, then actually sell just 5,000 naira to actually show you how it is being done so that I will not lose too much money on this platform. So I'm going to actually search for 5,000 naira to see. As you can see, just 1,600. Why other platforms are selling way higher? So these are a great opportunity for arbitrage. If you want to actually do arbitrage, selling from one exchange to another exchange, you can actually jump on arbitrage right now. So as you can see, this particular person have over 1,400 deals and over 100% completion rate. So let me try this person and click on sell over here. Click on sell. So as you can see, these are the transaction details. So these are the details. It said I will not pay to GT Bank. I'm not using GT Bank. So then choose the payment method. Choose the payment method, which is the bank transfer and Kuda account. Choose Kuda. Then the next thing is to choose the amount I actually want to sell. So I'll be using 5,000 naira to test out this particular platform for the first time. So this is 5,000 naira. So the next thing is to click on sell over here. Click on sell and the trade is going to be placed. See, the
Your
trade,
order has been filled.
wow, so the trade has been placed. Now I have to wait for the buyer to actually send the money directly to my Kuda account so that I will show you exactly how it is being done. So as you can see, this is the person that I'm trading with. And if you actually want to, like chat up with this person, it's actually the same with other platform like Bybit or OKS or other platform. So you are going to click on this chat button over here. Then you can actually send a message. Okay, let's say I. So you can send a message. If the person is actually want to call you, you can send I and the person will reply you instantly. So I'm going to pause this video, continue it whenever I actually receive the payment inside my Kuda account, then actually show you how it is being done.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for just few minutes, the buyer actually sent the money to my account. As you can see, it has sent. So the next thing I have to actually indicate, because I've actually checked my bank app, which is Kuda app, and I've seen that the money has been deposited from Sunday something, sha. So I'm going to actually confirm that I've received the payment. So all I have to do to actually make sure I complete this particular transaction is to click on receive payment over here, then click on confirm. So I'm going to click on confirm. Then they are going to send OTP to my email, I guess. So because this is the first time I'm also using this platform for the very first time. So let me do it again. Payment received, then click on confirm. Wow. So this particular platform is kind of different from Bybit or OKS. So after you've done the confirmation, they are going to actually confirm this particular transaction without sending OTP to your email address or maybe your phone number. Like other exchange do that. So I'm thinking of that's how they are going to do that for me. But right now it's kind of very, very different. So as you can see, this is the tutorial on exactly how you can do P2P on Gate.io platform. So if you actually want more tutorial about this particular platform, ensure you actually subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will try much as possible to show you exactly how you can actually use this particular platform, which is called Gate.io. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.